How to use a KitchenAid dishwasher. This is a KitchenAid dishwasher. You open it by just pulling. This model has controls at the top. Let's look at what those controls are. These are the soil settings, basically the cycles. These are the shorter cycles. Here's some displays about information and various options. So to use this machine, you load your soap here. I use those little pucks, but you can put in powder into this guy. You slide it to close and it should lock. It'll reopen with that guy. In this drawer is where your rinse aid goes. Usually Jet Dry is the brand that you see here. Now to turn it on, you press start. I usually use this Pro Wash setting, which does a kind of water dirtiness sensing. If you are in a big hurry, you can do express wash. Of course, it won't wash the dishes as well, but if you are putting in things that are not very dirty, that's just fine. The options here, heat dry, this will run a heating element at the end of the cycle to dry off the dishes faster. If you're not in a hurry, you can save a little bit of power and money by turning that off. High temperature wash increases the temperature of the washing throughout the cycle. So if you happen to know that the things you're washing are going to be benefited by running a higher temperature, like really greasy stuff, that might be helpful. Sani rinse, that's a similar thing to high temp wash. What that will do is increase the temperature of the water during the rinse cycle, and that's good if you're washing things like baby bottles that you want to have be sanitized. This button is for the delay. It's turned itself back off. Turn it back on. This is for the delay. So if you, for example, finish making dinner and you want to load all of the stuff in the dishwasher but not have the machine start, perhaps your power is cheaper later in the evening, or the noise of the dishwasher bothers you, although this is quite silent, you can use this delay button. You just push it a couple of times. You can see the delay is changing on the display over here. All right, and then to actually begin washing, I'll turn the delay off. You just press start again, and then you close the door, and that begins the washing process.